And here, you can see the total amount is $1,100 ATA. After coming here, click on the coupon code and paste that coupon code here. Then click on Apply. And here in you have received a discount of $237. If you are looking for the coupon code for Pictory, then in this video, I will practically show you the website where you can find and copy that coupon code. Not only the website, but I will also show you by using it live. Hey guys, welcome to I'mAgainHere.com. First, go to Google and type coupons.globally.com. Open this website. On this website, you will find different coupon codes. Here, you will find the Pictory 20% off coupon code, and you can also search here. So here is the Pictory coupon code. After coming here, you have to click on the coupon code, and the coupon code will be copied. After that, you need to click on the Activate Now button. After coming here, you can also go to Get Started for Free. And if you want to buy a plan, come to the pricing section. Here, I will show you how to use the coupon code. You can buy directly from here. Now, let's move to the team plan. And here you can see the total amount is $1,188. After coming here, click on the coupon code, paste that coupon code here, and then click Apply. And here in front of you, you have received a discount of $237. So this is how you can use the factory's coupon code. Bookmark the website from here so that you can stay informed about upcoming coupon codes in the future.